I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. Let me show you how to enable, disable, and also schedule the Do Not Disturb mode. So this is a mode where you don't get notifications and your watch literally does not disturb you, maybe when you want to concentrate on something. So to do this, just go to, from the watch face, just press the crown once to open the main menu and scroll down and find settings. Under settings, scroll down to do not disturb, tap on that, and then to turn do not disturb mode on, just tap on that and then confirm. It says when switched on, calls and notifications will not vibrate and the watch will not wake when you raise your wrist. Do you want to switch on? Confirm by tapping on the red check mark. To turn it off, just turn it off like that. Okay, on, you get a warning again, confirm, and that's going to turn on the do not disturb mode. Now when it's on, you can choose to schedule the do not disturb mode. So you disable always on. No, you first have to disable always on and select schedule. Now once you enable schedule by confirming, you can now go down and choose the time frame for which you want to schedule the do not disturb mode. Now currently it's set to 9 p.m. to 8 a.m. I can change this to maybe 1 hour later to 10 p.m. and maybe I want it to stop earlier at 6 a.m. So now do not disturb mode will automatically start from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. During this period, your watch will not vibrate for notifications, and also it will not wake up the screen when you turn your wrist. So this might be useful, especially at night when you're sleeping. You don't want the watch shining a light on your face as you sleep. Thank you for watching and good luck.